copper pipe. And we're going to put our Dielectric Union piece on here. And what I like to do before we solder this T on, I'm going to take this T right back off. And what I like to do is take this piece of the Dielectric Union and set it in place. Drop the Dielectric Union on here, screw it down, and solder it in place right there while it's stable. And then once we solder it and it cools down, we'll take it back apart and put the plastic back in there. This is so that we don't mess the plastic piece up and melt it. Okay, now we're going to solder our first fitting. And by the way, another tool we're going to need is bottle. Now, when soldering the pipe, the thing you want to do is keep the fire on the fitting right here. That's what it's going to do, is heat that fitting up, and the solder is going to draw to the hottest part. So it's just going to suck it right up in there. Now it's just sucking it up in there. Okay. What I like to do is just take my glove or rag and just wipe around there, kind of make it look neat, and hit it one more time just to make sure we didn't shake anything loose. And that's it. Now we're going to let that cool down, and we're going to put the union pieces back together. Now while we wait for that one to cool down, we're going to take this one apart, and we're going to cut us a small piece, about 6 inches, because we're going to put a cutoff right here. This is the coal going into the hot water. So we're going to put a 6-inch piece here, cut off here, and then we're going to measure our piece just like we did the other side. So let's clean this fitting up and flux it. And just like this side, before I put the valve on, I'm going to solder this piece here together.